Want to know how to link an email address to your WhatsApp account? How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can easily link an email address with your WhatsApp account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's get started with the video, guys. Well, so now to do that, simply go ahead and open up the WhatsApp from your device. And from the home page, so go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right here, and then scroll down, tap on account. You'll get to see the option email address. You just need to tap on this one and tap on add email, and simply go ahead and enter the email that you want to link. And then simply go and tap on next. And this will send the verification code through your email address, so you just need to verify this code. And tap on verify. Now your email account is successfully linked to your WhatsApp. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.